Good morning, my children. How are you all? Let us start our new lesson, that is Lesson 6, Safety Rules. Children, do you all know the meaning of safety? I will let you know. It means freedom from harm or danger. Now, let us understand it better by watching this clip.
Safety rules. We must follow safety rules all the time. They help to keep us safe. Safety on the road. Reena walks to school. She takes care and always walks on the footpath. She crosses the road at the zebra crossing. While crossing the road, she sees the pedestrian lights carefully. She knows that the red light says stop. Green light says go. She crosses the road only when the green light tells her to go. Safety while traveling. Rahul goes to school by the school bus. He knows that he must stand in a queue with other children while waiting for the bus. He must not get out or get into a moving bus. Put his hand out of the moving bus. Disturb the driver. Rahul follows safety rules and therefore he is safe. He takes care that he plays games in a park or a playground. Does not climb on windows. He knows that he can fall down and get hurt. Rahul and Nikhil go for swimming lessons. They know that they must use a swimming tube as they still do not know how to swim. Have a bath after their swimming lessons. They must not go into deep water. Go alone for a swim. Neeta is Rahul's younger sister. Rahul cares for her. When Neeta got hurt with a blade, Rahul explained that she must never play with sharp objects like scissors, blades, and knives. He also told her that she should not touch electric wires, plugs, and hot irons. These things can cause harm. He explained to her that matchsticks and fire can burn her skin. She must never play with them. We must follow safety rules so that we are always safe. First aid. Rahul knows that when someone gets hurt, they must report it to the teacher or any adult immediately. The hurt child must be given first aid. There should be a first aid box in the classroom, home, and in cars.
Children, please take out page number 126. We are starting lesson 6, Safety Rules. Let us see what are the safety rules. We must follow safety rules all the time. They help to keep us safe. This is Jumbo. He follows all safety rules. He wants to share some rules with you. Let us find out what he wants to tell us. So who is Jumbo here? He is Jumbo. He follows safety rules and he wants to share what he follows with us. So we have to see what are the safety rules he wants to tell us. So who is he? He is Jumbo. His name is Jumbo. Now let's see what he wants to say. First, he is telling us about safety at school. Always use a sharpener to sharpen your pencil. Do not push or pull others. Do not run in the corridors or on the stairs. Do not jump on desks or benches. See what he is telling us? Safety at school. First of all, he wants that you all should sharpen your pencils with a sharpener, not with a blade. And then you are not supposed to push or pull others. When you are going in the corridors, you need to be very careful, children. You are not supposed to push your friends nor pull them. And also, do not run in the corridors or on the stairs. You are supposed to be walking in a good way. Please, you are not supposed to run in the corridors or on the staircase. You might fall down, or you might also make others fall down. So that is a big no. Okay? Then do not jump on desks or benches. You are not supposed to jump on benches and desks. If the teacher takes 1 minute to go out and come back again, in that time you all need to sit in your own places. Okay? Do not jump on benches, because benches are there for everyone to sit and desks are there to keep your books. So you are not supposed to jump on them. Okay, children? So these are the safety rules at school. Now comes safety rules on the road. Very important. See, all the points are very important here. Always walk on the footpath. Always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Always follow the traffic lights. Never play on the road. Yes, see children, so many safety rules on road. You are supposed to walk only on footpath. Footpath means the small road beside the road. Okay, footpath is the place just beside the road where you can walk on it, and it is very safe. You are not supposed to walk on the main roads. No. Always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Where are you supposed to cross the road? Zebra crossing. It's very important. First of all, you all are very small now. So you need to cross your road only with your elders or your parents. Do not cross the road all alone, children, because you all are very small. Be very careful on the roads. Always follow the traffic lights. You know, it is very important for everyone to follow the traffic lights, because they guide us to be safe on the road. So you need to follow traffic lights. Never play on the road. Very dangerous. You are not supposed to play on the road, because road is meant for traffic. Cars, cycles, autos, lorries, buses go on road. Is that the place to play? No. Where do you have to play? In playground or at your home, not on roads. Okay, so these are safety on the road. One more point is left out here. Before crossing the road, look at your right, then left, and then right. Again, see children, how are you supposed to cross? Before you cross the road, you need to look at your right side. This is your right side. Then left side. And then once again right side. And then walk to cross the road. Okay? Now comes safety at home. Do not play with sharp objects like blades, knives, and scissors. Do not play with matchsticks or lit candles. Do not touch electric wires or plugs. Do not leave your toys and books on the floor. You may trip over them. So, what are the rules at home you should follow? Listen to me carefully. Do not play with sharp objects like blades, knives, and scissors, because you might hurt your fingers if you use them, as you all are very young to use it. Okay, so do not use and play with these objects. Second is, do not play with matchsticks or lit candles. Matchsticks are very dangerous. If you lit it, you might burn your skin. And also, do not play with the candles and lit them. Ask your elders to lit the candles when there is no electricity. So, you are not supposed to play with matchsticks. Do not touch electric wires or plugs. This is also very dangerous because electricity is there in all the wires, and if you touch it with your bare hand, you might get shock. And also the same thing with the plugs. Do not put your fingers in the plugs because even they might hurt you. So be careful with electric wires and plugs. And do not leave your toys and books on the floor. You may trip over them. See, Mama does so much for you all, right? So it's your duty to keep your toys and books in their places after you are done with them. Please do not spread them on the floor. Anyone can trip down and fall down. It might be you also. So, you all need to be very careful. Turn to page number 128. Multiple choice. Tick the correct answers. Always play in or on the dash. Playground, road, classroom. Where are you supposed to play? Playground. Circle playground and write the spelling here. P-L-A-Y. Play. G-R-O-U-N-D. Ground. Playground. Second one. Do not touch dash. Toys, electric wires, pencils. I told you just now. That is electric wires. Right? You are not supposed to touch them. So write here electric wires. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C. Electric wires. W-I-R-E-S. Wires. Okay? Now comes safety in the bus. Do not get in or out of a moving bus. Do not lean out of a moving bus. Do not stand on the footboard when you travel in a bus. Okay, it's very dangerous. You are supposed to be very safe when you are traveling in bus. Please do not get into a moving bus. You might fall down. And also do not lean. See this boy? He is leaning out of the window. This is a big no-no. It's very dangerous. Okay? And also do not footboard on the bus when you are traveling. See this boy? It is also very dangerous. you might fall down on the road and accidents may occur. So children, be very careful when you are traveling in a bus. Either it may be school bus or a government bus. But you need to be very careful. If you are seeing anyone doing this, you should stop them. Stop them by telling, no, it's very dangerous. You are not supposed to lean out of the window or put your hands out of the window. And do not disturb the drivers. Okay? Now, traffic lights, very important. Traffic lights. Now, the traffic lights on the road will tell you something. Can you see this traffic light? Yes. We are the traffic lights. We tell you when to stop, wait, and go. Let's see. What does the red light say? And the yellow light and the green light. Come on. This is red. When I turn red, you must stop. When I turn yellow, you must wait. When I turn green, you may go. Yes, you need to follow the traffic lights. Have you ever seen a traffic light on the road? Yes, bete, we all see traffic lights. And while driving, we have to follow them. When you see a red light, you need to stop. And when you see a yellow light, you need to wait for the green light to turn on. And when the green light turns on, you may go. Okay, so please follow all these rules. They are very important. With this, I have read and also explained you the lesson safety rules. Children, your homework for today is to do this activity on page number 126 of Term 2 Reader. Please post your homework in your respective class groups. Okay? See you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye.